meteorologist Summer Trolley.
Well, temperatures are climbing quickly once again today. 77 degrees at the Country Club of York, 74 in East Earl, Harrisburg also 74 degrees, nearly 80 in Lancaster right now. But notice the winds are pretty calm or very light. I expect them to pick up throughout the day. Hanover here, you can see a few cars going by, a few clouds, but also seeing that sun still shining through here in Camp Hill right now. We are dry, but I'm not anticipating this radar to look the same in several hours from now. As we get into the evening hours, that's when I think we could see a few thunderstorms here on the radar. But if we look back to the west, again, there are a few showers in parts of western PA as well as out in Ohio. That's going to continue to track to the east and drop towards our area. As it does, again, I do think we could see some strong thunderstorms as we move into this evening. 71 degrees in Lancaster right now, 72 in Lebanon. Harrisburg also seeing the low 70s with temperatures continuing to climb, but we are warmer compared to this time yesterday. A 10-degree difference in York and a 3-degree difference in Lancaster right now. So as we continue throughout the afternoon, temperatures are going to reach near 90 degrees, 87 by about 2 o'clock, 89 by 3 o'clock. So it's going to be very warm or hot when we get into the afternoon. Here's the precision cast. Starts to bubble up, tries to bubble up some thunderstorms right around dinner time, and that's going to continue to push through the region. And then once again around sunset, could see a couple more thunderstorms move through. But by about 11 o'clock, most of us should be dry. And it's not even a guarantee that all of us see rain at all with this or see a storm move through. I think a lot of us do also stay dry. But if you do see a thunderstorm today, it could be strong to severe. We could see some damaging winds with this. I think that would be the main threat, as well as some heavy rain at times with it. So we do have a severe weather risk from the Storm Prediction Center with damaging winds and downpours. Again, they also mentioned hail, which can't completely be ruled out, but I think a better chance for hail would be back to the west, the western part of the state. It'll also be breezy at times throughout the day today. We could see winds gust up to about 20 to 25 miles per hour. Tomorrow also looks to be breezy. We'll start with the winds to be on the lighter side, but as we pick up into the afternoon, the sustained winds up to about 15 miles per hour or so. So going to see a change in the humidity level too. As we talked about that summer-like weather, it's also going to really feel like it in terms of the humidity. So it's noticeable this weekend, and then it goes down. We see the humidity go back down towards that comfortable range. Big change on the second half of the day. On Tuesday, that continues to increase that humidity, and then next week, by the end of the week, I think we start to really feel it back into that oppressive range. In terms of the temperature, sort of following suit, where we're warm this weekend and then low 80s to mid 80s for Monday and Tuesday, so still above the average, but a little bit cooler and drier air, and then that humidity increases, and so do the temperatures by Wednesday. Really, we could be seeing the 90s returning. So again, it's going to feel like summer this weekend, and it's going to feel like summer as we head towards next week. It's just around the corner. 90 degrees today, breezy, hot, straight evening thunderstorms. Breezy again on Sunday, 87 degrees, less humid when we get to Monday. Tuesday, the start of the day, cool, less humid, but I think that's a little bit of a transition day where that humidity starts to increase. And then that summer-like pattern with stray or hit or miss thunderstorms as we get to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday with temperatures back in the 90s, Kayla.
I mean, I'm loving this. I know it has some PM storms or some hit or miss showers, but we can deal with a little rain. We can deal with a little thunder. I love at least Sunday, Monday, Tuesday.
That's right, and it's a typical summer-like pattern where you see that chance to see some storms coming up. So again, it's very summer-like. That humidity is going to increase with, we are in June now. It's a typical June pattern.
Yep, the humidity returns.
Yes.
Watch that hair.
It does, yeah.
Alrighty, we're going to send it over to Epic Discounts now.